Hello everyone, today I will show you how to type text in a blank page in a PDF document using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this home option. Now click on this add option, this down arrow, and here you will find add text. Click here and insert your new text box. Now type your text here. Also you can copy and paste your text in this text box. And you can increase decrease this text box. Press enter key for your keyboard. Also you can type new text. Yeah, this is, and again click on this text box and do new text box and insert text, and here you can change your text font size, font color, and so on. And this is stroke color and white. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.